Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change Instagram group chat name. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. You can just swipe right to open your messenger or click on the message icon at the top right. Then locate the Instagram group post name you want to change and click on it. Once you click on it, then you should have the group like this. Then if you click on the group name, you'll be taken to the group page information. Now go ahead and click on change name and image. Then give your group a name. Once you give your group a name, go ahead and change the image or select the image from your gallery and then go ahead and click on done at the top right. Then you should see the Instagram group name changed and then you're good. If you hit the back button, you should see the Instagram group name. So that's exactly how to change group chat name on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.